Hi, I'm Aggie. I just want to follow up with another pitching tip. What we're going to talk about today is the merry-go-round versus the Ferris wheel. Sounds kind of funny, but what we're talking about is pitching and what your body's supposed to do. A lot of times what we see when we're doing lessons is we'll see kids come in, and as they start to go towards home plate, their body will spin horizontally. And what that does is that actually puts their hand underneath the baseball, which when they release it, it's going to be flat. Much easier for a hitter to hit, as well as slows down the ball. And you also notice that they're using small muscles in their arm, front side, front side, front side. And these are the two most common areas where pitchers end up with arm surgeries. Obviously, you might be able to see the one on my arm. Versus the Ferris wheel technique. So what we're doing there, Kyle touched on this in his video, is we're going forward and then down as we rotate through the pitch. And you'll notice my hand's out in front. I've got it on top of the baseball, which is going to allow it to get out there in front, give more diagonal movement to the ball or more velocity. We're now using the large muscles in the upper part of the arm and the back, triggering our backside, legs, and making the pitch a lot easier. So what we're really trying to do here is create consistency, more movement, more velocity, and help you become a better pitcher. If you want more on these type of training tips, just visit our website, ProSourceAthletics.com, and click on the ProSource TV tab, and we're going to cover pretty much everything baseball on that. So we look forward to seeing you there.